Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a quick video on how to do an oil change on my A90 Toyota Supra. Goes for the 6 liters 3.0 2020 and above. So the tools you need: extension, small one, 17 millimeters, 32 millimeters for the oil filter. The oil filter kit, you can get the oil change kit like I show you in the video. Of course, the oil, everybody recommends this oil right here. So you need 6.9, I believe, liters, quart, whatever. And then so you got to jack the car up. The car's really low, so make sure you be careful in jacking it up. It'll be easier if you have a lift. But see this point right here, this is where you need to put your jack stand right there. All right, so that's the 32 millimeters oil filter housing. So you need an extension, pretty much. Get it open. So after you took the housing out, you're gonna change this gasket right here with a brand new one that comes with the kit. So we come with a one gasket. It's supposed to come with two, and this is the crush washer. All right, so this is how it's supposed to go. This one goes in the bottom of the engine and screw back on. The other side goes, it's supposed to be tight. If you go the wrong way, it's gonna be loose and you're on the wrong side. All right, so at the bottom of the car, you're gonna grab this here right there. Really easy. Open it lefty loosey. Boom. All done. And then they got a nut here, and you use a 17 millimeters right there and loosen it up. All right, so after it's done draining, it's use about 5.9 quarts. So after about 9,000 miles, it uses about a quart of oil. That is with 0W20. So I'm gonna see with 5W30 and see how much oil it's gonna use. But I'm not gonna change it, every 10,000. I'm gonna change every 5,000 miles, which is what everybody recommends. So put this new o-ring back on. Make sure there's none left in there, because you will leak if it doesn't, if you have double o-ring. And then we're gonna tighten it up with a torque wrench right here and tighten up to 18 foot-pounds right there. You can see. You don't want to over tighten it, you're gonna have a bad day. Well, on that note, I suggest getting one of this jack pad adapter. Just let me show you why. It's not like a regular Japanese car, even though it's Toyota. See right here? So with this jack pad adapter, it goes right here to the slot. Because if you just use regular one of these, it's gonna mess it up. Look, just gonna mess it up. So you need one of those adapter. Take care of your car. Now with the car lowered, now we can go back and work on the engine bay. Again, oil filter. Go back there. And tighten it up by hand, please. So you don't want to cross thread. This is a plastic. You know how it is with cross threading a plastic. Yeah, so tighten it up I can do it with I need to do it with 2 hands. All right, so you're gonna tighten it up for 18 foot-pounds as well. Now you can use a funnel free, all spill free funnel, and fill up the oil. 6.5 liters or quart. And that's all.